Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to use Amazon Personalize, which is going to create magic movie machine. So let's start and see how it works. So this is the scenario. In this game, you play the role of user looking for movie recommendations. Initially, Amazon Personalize doesn't know anything about your interest. As you show your interest in different movies and Amazon Personalize learns about what you like, you'll find your recommendations are personalized for you. The challenge is, in this demonstration, our catalog consists of almost 62,000 movies with over 25 million ratings from amongst 126,000 users. That's a lot of data. Keeping up with all of this data as new movies are released and new users sign up and interact with the catalog is no simple feat. Amazon Personalize analyzes user data, interactions data, and catalog data to synthesize recommendations that go beyond obvious connections. How to play? First, assume the role of a new user, pick the movies you like, see how your movie recommendations change based on your choices. So let's write our name. Choose a portrait. I like this one. Let's continue. The Cold Star. Amazon Personalize welcomes Sevim to the Magic Movie Machine. Without any interactions data for Sevim, Amazon Personalize doesn't know what movies are relevant to them. In this situation, Amazon Personalize initially shows the most popular movies and then learns from Sevim's next choice. Popular movies by genre. Let's select. So I'm going to go for, let's start with comedy. I'm going to see, this one is good actually, but let's see, something that I watched, remember, and like. With comedies, let's select Jim Carrey. This one is also good. This looks good. I don't know if I watched this, but I'm not sure. Probably not. This one is good. Okay, this looks good as well. I'm not sure. Maybe I have seen it before, but I'm not sure. Okay, and animation. If there is something that I like, I don't like Toy Story. I like this one. And I like this one. Fantastic, folks. Okay. Wally is usually people's favorites, but not mine. So okay, 3 from here. Let's go for romance. Romance. Oh, this one is good. These are the choices I make. I'm sorry if there are movies that I'm missing that they are very good. These are the ones that I like. Titanic is good, but let's go. Okay, that will be my choice. Let's go to crime. We can go to see recommendations, or we can continue maybe action. Let's see, action. I love this one. Die Hard, Top Gun. This one is good as well. It shows a little older movies. Okay, let's see recommendations now. User data, catalog data, interaction data. So it is done. So these are the recommendations for me. This one's completely very good one. The Shawshank Redemption. I like this one as well. So mic was fun, Magic mic. I think it's okay. It's accurate. Hidden gems. I think I will probably like these. Most of these movies looks something that I will watch. I will enjoy watching. So I guess it's working pretty good. These are top recommendations, and now we can finish. We hope you had fun learning a bit about Amazon Personalize works to deliver recommendations to customers. To go further, check out the resources below. So you can go and learn more, and we can start building from here as well. So it's going to take us to AWS console, I guess. I need to sign in. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
You get me fired up like holy, you hotter than hell. None can compete cause your presence is unparalleled.